quick reading for June the 11th to June the 12th, Aquarius. Your cards are the Five of Intelligence, the Four of Charisma, and the Seven of Charisma. Meron dito mga pangungulit si person, no? Probably nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, pauses, or separation. Parang si person ayaw bitawan yung relationship, which I feel like given, at parang alam mo din naman, pero inaantay mo lang kasi yung actions ni person. Pwede itong apology, or pwedeng mga pagbabago. The Five of Intelligence is clarified with the Eight of Charisma. That makes sense. And the Eight of Strength. Parang pasasabugin ni person ang inbox, no? Up until hindi mo siya sagutin or hindi mo, parang sabihin natin, hindi ka magbigay ng attention sa kanya. So parang hinihingi nito yung apology or yung forgiveness rather. Inaantay mo lang din naman yun, no? Kasi with the Four of Charisma, hanggat hindi ibinibigay ni person yung acknowledgement na meron akong kasalanan, I feel like hindi mo siya kakausapin. So ito na yung apology na inaantay mo. So this is your quick reading, Aquarius, for June the 11th to June the 12th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.